Mozzarella salad using nut tomatoes, which everyone knows, but this time with celery. And you know, I think that celery is one of the most underused vegetables in the kitchen. Yeah, soups and all of that, and it's always in secondary. But here it is, and it's great. It's crunchy, it's flavorful, and especially all of those little leaves that you throw away or whatever you do with it. They're all excellent for these salads. So collect them all in, kind of shave them off, and then, of course, you want also the crunchiness of the celery itself. And mozzarella, yeah, nice fior di latte, which means made from fresh milk. Mozzarella is delicious, but could you use buffalo milk mozzarella? Of course you could. I mean, I just love those wonderful buffaloes. You know, they're beautiful animals. But this is a fior di latte, the flour of the milk. So it's a delicious milky mozzarella. And I'll show it two ways, the presentation two ways. So I have cubed some mozzarella. Let's make the dressing. So I'm gonna start with the lemon juice. You know, whenever you want lemon juice, roll your lemon sort of to break all those little pockets of juice within the lemon. So this way you kind of break them up a little bit. And let's squeeze them right. I mean, you know, could you squeeze this before and have it? Sure, you could, but don't give me none of this bottled lemon juice. I mean, how hard is it to squeeze a lemon? And it has such a different flavor. And usually in a salad, the acid, vinegar or lemon juice to oil is 1/3 acid to 2/3 of the base, the oil. A bit of salt. And the sort of extra ingredient here is mustard. But you know, this is of a good salad dressing for anything. It's good for this one, but you can use this for anything. You can use this to dress some poached fish, some chicken that you have left over from grilling or from roasting. You make a dressing like that and just toss it, and it's delicious. Okay, so here's the base. Let's throw the celery right in there. I like a little fresh pepper right in there. Maybe a little bit more of salt because you know, there's a lot of celery. Another element that it really gives a sort of a characteristic to this is toasted walnuts. Just toast them, you know, to get the maximum out of your nuts when you're cooking with them. Always toast them a little bit before. Let them cool, and then, of course, you toss them right in the salad. And you want to toss it in the last minute because you want them nice and crunchy. I'm doing two presentations of this dish. So before we add the mozzarella, let's set some salad aside. So to this one, I will just add the cubes of mozzarella. And I'm looking, do I have enough dressing? Yeah, I have plenty of dressing like that. In between. So we have two presentations of basically the same flavors. Now, a little bit of the salt on the mozzarella, a drizzle of olive oil on the mozzarella. Could you put any extra herbs or basil or whatever? You could, but this is so clean and pristine, you get the same flavors in different presentations. And I am going to taste just a little bit so I can tell you. But you can see how caprese, mozzarella, tomato, just switch basic good vegetables and you got yourself a great dish.